Hey, so if LDPlayer is suddenly eating up your disk usage, yeah, that can slow your whole system down. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually bring it back to normal. Alright, first, open Task Manager and click on the disk column to sort it. Make sure LDPlayer is actually the one using most of your disk. Next, open LDPlayer settings, go to Advanced Settings and increase the RAM and CPU cores a bit. If resources are too low, it can cause heavy disk swapping. Now, check if disk optimization is enabled inside LDPlayer. Some versions have this option, and it helps reduce unnecessary disk usage. Okay, so clearing cache can also help. Open the emulator, go to System Apps, then Storage, and clear cache data. This removes junk files that slow things down. If you're running LDPlayer on a hard drive, try installing it on an SSD instead. Yeah, this makes a huge difference in disk performance. Also, close any unnecessary background apps. Too many programs running can increase disk usage and slow everything down. And finally, make sure LDPlayer is updated. If the issue still stays, uninstall and reinstall it fresh. That usually fixes any corrupted files. So yeah, those are the main ways to fix high disk usage in LDPlayer. Try them out, and your system should run a lot smoother.